Next, let's solve Roman number 3. Roman number 3, here we are given with a quadratic polynomial 6x squared minus 3 minus 7x. We are going to be finding out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of this polynomial. Okay, let's find out it. Here this can be written as 6x squared minus 7x minus 3, which is equal to, we will split this middle term. How will you split? First, write the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 6. Multiply. Write the constant term here. Constant term is minus 3. Multiplying, we get minus 6 3 are 18. There is minus, so I write minus here. And write the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 7. So you are going to be finding out after multiplying, after subtracting, you must get minus 7, and by multiplying you must get minus 18. How will you find it? We will find it by prime factorization this number. 2 9 are 18, 3 3 are 9. So you get 3 3 are 9, 9 minus 2 we get 3 3 are 9, 9 minus 2 we get 7. So there is minus, so we must write minus 9 plus 2. We get minus 9 plus 2, we get minus 7. By multiplying, minus 9 into 2, we get minus 18. So minus 9 and 2 fulfill these two conditions. So this term will be split into minus 9 and minus 2. 6x squared minus 9x plus twice x minus 3, which is equal to, here this 6 can be written as, 3 into 2, and this 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So the common part is 3. So I write 3 here, and the common part is x. You must take out common the smaller power. Our smaller power is x, so I write x here. Taking out thrice x from here, we are left with twice x minus, if I take thrice x, we are left with 3. And there is no common factor. The common factor is only 1, so I take out 1 here. So twice x minus 3. Let's take out common here. Common part is twice x minus 3. So we are left with thrice x plus 1. This 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 will be 0 only when twice x minus 3 is equal to 0 or thrice x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, value of 6x squared minus 3 minus 7x is 0 when thrice x plus 1 is equal to 0 or twice x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to, after transporting this, we get minus 1 by 3, or x is equal to, after transporting this, we get 3 by 2. So zeros of 6x squared minus 3 minus 7x are minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. Okay, we have found out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Now let's verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of this polynomial. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to, here one is 1 by 3 plus other is 3 by 2. Taking LCM, we get 3 2 are 6, dividing 3 2 and the minus 1 multiplying, we get minus 2 plus. Dividing 2 with the 6, we get 3. 3 times 3 is 9, which get 9 minus 2 is 7 by 6. Leave a blank here and write, we know the sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is -7, so I write -7 here. There is a minus for this formula, so I write minus here. What is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square is 6, so I write 6 here. Here multiplying minus with the minus we get plus, so 7 by 6, which is equal to 7 by 6. Now sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Now let's solve the, now verify the product part. Product of zeros, product of zeros is equal to minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2, which is equal to 3 2 are 6 minus 3. After cancelling we get minus 1 by 2. Leave a blank here and write, we know that the product of zeros is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Here our constant term is minus 3, so I write minus 3 here. What is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 6. After cancelling these two we get minus 1 by 2. So these two are same. Therefore product of zeros is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Here it finishes.